Hi guys, this is Abid. Textures plays a beautiful role in fabric painting. Hot wax create amazing visual textures with the help of different materials. For example, different sizes of the brushes, wires, sponge, dry grass, blocks and net. In this video, I tried to create textures in very simple way. You can use these textures in your batik painting. You can find different materials from your surroundings and utilize them in your batik art. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do it and follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Let's start the video. Take any thick cotton piece and fold the fabric 2 times and cut the circle according to the wax pot bottom and place these pieces in the wax pot. Pour the hot wax on the fabric. Make sure add enough hot wax so that the fabric can absorb this wax. Now put the wax pot on the lamp stand. Bend the wire roughly. You can make any shape with thick wire and take impressions. Wear the silicone heat-proof baking gloves before taking the impressions with the wire because when you dip the wire in the hot wax, it will heat up. Today I am using cotton net fabric. You can use any fabric for this texture. You can also place the folded rough fabric under the polythene sheet for better result. Remove the fabric from polythene sheet and stretch the fabric on the wooden frame after taking the impressions of the wire. I have made a video on it. Check the suggested video link on the top right side of the screen and you can find the link in the video description. Apply the colors with sponge. I did not use water on the fabric before painting because I need rough impressions of the sponge. But if you do not want this impression, use water before painting. Let the fabric dry after painting. When the colors dry out, remove the wax from the fabric. I have already made a video on it. You can get the link from this video description. Wax is removed now. Iron the batik piece 4 to 7 minutes. I used iron fixed silk paints in this video. If you are using silk dyes, iron the fabric according to the suggested video and follow the instructions given on the dye's label. If you like the video, press the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Stay safe, stay happy. Goodbye.